Welcome to the town of Qualicum Beach. This town is situated at the foot of Mount Arrowsmith and is home to 8,600 people, with the oldest average population in Canada, so it should be no surprise that a popular recreation here is golf. Qualicum Beach is known for its Memorial Golf Course, which is considered to be one of Canada's most scenic courses. The Memorial Golf Course was opened in 1913 by the R.A. Brown's family, but was later bought by the town in 1981. This golf course sits on top of one of three watersheds in Qualicum Beach, and this particular stream also happens to be one of the spawning streams for coho salmon. This is a small and peaceful forest runoff known as Beach Creek, which runs from the southern end of Qualicum into the ocean. This quiet little stream is in fact a spawning ground for coho salmon, and has even had a history of 2 hatcheries on it. But Beach Creek has also been the victim of human interference, such as the construction of roads and being dammed for irrigation purposes. These human interferences have damaged this stream's fragile ecosystem and have caused it to shift flow direction many times in the past. Beach Creek's riverbed also consists of sandy soil subject to erosion and sedimentation, not to mention the dam section of the stream has been an obstacle for spawning salmon. But these issues do not go unnoticed in our community. The Qualicum Beach Streamkeepers is a society of a very dedicated group of volunteers who work endlessly to help maintain and enhance local rivers and streams to improve the return of fish and other native species. Streamkeepers has made many improvements to Beach Creek, such as the installation of the new daylighted baffled culvert under the Qualicum Inn, the placement and anchoring of native tree trunks along erosion-prone banks, and the addition of native plants on the banks to provide vegetative cover. But the stream still needs some urgent attention. On its way to the ocean, the stream runs through a section of the golf course where it is dammed and used as the main source of water for irrigating the course. The streamkeepers worked with a Memorial Golf Course to design, construct, and install a water control system on an existing dam to improve water retention and enhance fish access to the creek. At present, the dam is unsuitable for spawning fish, as it cannot easily bypass the obstruction. The creek itself, decades ago, supported a sizable run of coho, but now a much smaller population returns to the creek. Most of these salmon reside in the main pond as smolts coexisting with cutthroat trout and sticklebacks. Coho smolts returning to the sea from the pond face a dangerous drop off the dam to the cement runway below. The intention of this new project is to put in place a concrete fish ladder of 4 or 5 sections to allow two-way access at the pond site. Instead of meeting a blockade in their stream after a stressful journey, returning salmon will have an improved access to their spawning ground. The ladder would also create an expanded pond habitat, encouraging an increased population of coho smolts before their downstream journey to the ocean. Instead of dropping onto the concrete floor of the dam, coho smolts will be safely carried downstream step by step thanks to the ladder. This is a necessary project to enhance and protect the wild fish population of Beach Creek and return it to its spawning capacity. The funding from BC Hydro would help to achieve this project, as it would completely cover the cost. The Streamkeeper Society has the support of Qualicum Beach, which owns the land, the Qualicum Beach Golf Course, who manage the creek, and the Department of Fisheries, who, through the Provincial Water Act, grants the permit necessary for the fish ladder's construction.